wish.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm sharing with you guys my work from home mom morning routine, and I try to make this as real as possible. These are things that I actually do in the morning. This is my actual morning routine. So today I'm starting at 7 a.m. bright and early. It's actually still kind of dark, but the first thing I do is pull my hair up and put my glasses on because I am blind without them, and then I immediately go make a coffee because it's 7 a.m. and I need coffee. If you're wondering how I take my coffee, I just do 3 stevias and then some creamer. Right now I'm using the Aldi brand pumpkin spice. It's really good. And then I'll put some homemade marshmallows on top, or if I'm out of marshmallows, I will put whipped cream on top. Don't judge me. My coffee is my solace.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
After that, we have 2 dogs. We have Daisy and Bruiser. Daisy is still a puppy, so she has to go out very early, and Bruiser is 10 years old, so he usually sleeps in and doesn't even want to think about going outside until like 9 a.m. So I always let Daisy out first, and then I will head to work. I have to be at work at 7 a.m. In the morning, I just do a couple spreadsheets, and then I work in the evening. So I will just start in on working, drinking my coffee, and getting all my work done.
The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me.
I usually get done about 8 a.m. and then I will roll over to my my other computer, my personal computer, and I will start doing any work that I need to do, if that's answering emails or editing a video. Today it's editing a video, or sometimes I just sit here and finish drinking my coffee and surf the web. It just depends on the morning, but this morning I did need to finish up editing a video. I try to get all my editing done before Dee wakes up in the morning. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, like you're about to see here. She woke up shortly after this. This was about I think 8:30. So she just came and joined me for a little bit, and we just played some toys for a few minutes while I finished drinking my coffee.
Standing on.
After that, she wanted to get up, so I always sit with a blanket in my lap because I'm so cold-natured. So I will just fold my blanket, turn off my lamp, and come back here tonight when it's time to work again.
It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
After that, the first thing I always do is open up all the blinds to let some sunlight in. Our house does tend to be really dark, so I'm always keeping the blinds open just to get the little bit of light I can in here.
I see you from across the room.
While Dee's playing with the dogs, I will go brush my teeth, wash my face, put some moisturizer on, just your normal morning routine stuff.
I don't know what it is about you.
I've been using this Oxy Face Wash for years. It's like $5 at the drugstore. If you suffer with oily, acne-prone skin, you might give this a try. It's amazing for my skin personally. I love it.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you...
And I put my contacts in because, again, super blind, so either I'm wearing glasses or contacts. Most of the time it's contacts. And then I will put on this moisturizer. This is just like an off-brand of the Clean and Clear moisturizer. I don't know, I've used it for a couple years as well, and I really like it. And always a part of my morning routine is making my bed. I don't know why. I've got myself in such a habit now that like my life is not together unless the bed is made. This is like one of the first things I do in the morning. If you don't make your bed every day, I would definitely give it a try. It's just one thing to tick off your list, your first accomplishment of the day, and it just makes your room feel more put together, and it makes you feel like you've got your life together. So definitely give making your bed a try every morning if it's not a part of your morning routine. Just do it for 2 weeks and you'll be adjusted, and then you won't be able to not do it in the morning anymore. And I will also clear off our nightstands from the night before. Usually it's just removing water bottles or LaCroix, and I will get dressed in leggings and a t-shirt.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you.
and then I will head into Dee's room and get her dressed. And then we will head into the kitchen and I will get her some breakfast. Dee's kind of a picky eater, so most of the mornings she loves these Chobani Greek yogurts and chocolate almond milk. This is actually chocolate cashew milk. She likes that as well. And this is her breakfast most mornings because she's very, very picky. After that, Old Man Bruiser's finally ready to go out, and I will start in on cleaning up the kitchen.
When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you.
I try to do most of my cleaning in the morning. Since I do work at night, it's hard to clean in the evenings, and I don't want to be rushing around before I go to work trying to get the house clean. So I normally do this first thing in the morning. That way if we have to run errands or anything, we can just come back to the house and it will all be done.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same.
Once I'm done giving everything a good wipe down, I will just feed and water all of the animals. And this is a part of my morning routine, so I left it in. And then I will vacuum the floor in the kitchen and the living room. The dogs truck in so much dirt. It's ridiculous, and it's been so muddy here lately, so I'm constantly having to clean my kitchen floors lately.
I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me.
After that, I'll go into the living room and just tidy up a bit. It's not usually dirty or anything. It just needs, like, the blankets need to be straightened up and it needs to be vacuumed.
Heartbreak, that's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Usually around this time, I'll have Dee go into her room and just tidy up if she has any toys on the ground, get her room cleaned up for the day. While she's doing that, I don't do this every morning, but this morning it really needed it because it's been so muddy. So I will give the floor a good mop.
Heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak.
After that, Dee's room is nice and picked up, so I will go in the living room and I will turn on a TV show for her to watch while I go and get ready.
The same now that we dancing, I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor.
On days where Dee wakes up early and I'm not able to get ready fully, I just do a quick 10-minute face. I do have a 10-minute makeup routine. I will link down below for you guys if you want to see what I'm doing. It's changed a tiny bit. I just add a little bit of foundation in with the BB cream and fill in my eyebrows a tiny bit more, but that's about it. So I will link that down below for you guys if you want to see exactly what I'm doing.
Which way I'm supposed to go? All I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know. to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I just wanna know, am I insane, insane?
Once my makeup is all done, I'll start in on my hair. I have a love-hate relationship with my haircut right now. I like having it short, but when my hair was long, it was so much easier to fix because it didn't have all these stinking layers. So most days I just curl my hair because it's going to be the easiest to get my hair to look good. And I do have a hair curling routine. It's a little different since my hair is short, but I will link that down below as well. Once I'm done getting ready, this is when I will finally go eat some breakfast. I just meal prepped for the week this weekend, and I made these egg cups with some spinach and onions and cheese, and they're really tasty.
Nobody can see me. I wonder, can you hear me?
After I'm done eating, this is when I'll go fix Dee's hair and have her brush her teeth.
I just wanna know, am I insane?
After this is, if we're gonna leave for the day, this is usually when I will start prepping for that. I will make sure I have a water. Dee has a chocolate milk or a water, and I will make sure we have a snack. I meal prepped some fresh fruit for me, so I just grabbed that, and a Laura bar for Dee. This is when we will just start getting ready to head out the door for leaving for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this work from home mom morning routine. I tried to keep it as real as possible. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below if you're new. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys back here for a brand new video. Bye!